I'm ready. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and if this is the first time you are here, I generally put out videos about hair care, curly hair transitioning, skincare, but today you are joining me in my kitchen and we are going to be trying out some DIY hair masks. And I've got quite a few options here. I've been looking online, doing a bit of research, and there's about 7 options that I'm going to be trying over a period of time, and then just compare them and see which one would work best for my hair. So I have 3C for a hair. I'm in the middle of transitioning. I'm kind of all over the place. Some days my hair is looking amazing, some days it's looking dry and frizzy. So this is a perfect mask for those of you that are experiencing dryness and frizz. It's really simple. There's like 3 ingredients. It is the honey, egg and apple cider vinegar hair mask. So what you're going to need for this is just a small little bowl, a tablespoon measurement and a teaspoon measurement, and you are going to need some honey. Mine's almost finished because I love my honey on my cereal. You're going to need 1 egg and then a little bit of apple cider vinegar, which is almost finished as well because I do use this as a toner sometimes. Okay, so we're going to combine this all into the small bowl. You can double or half the recipe depending on your hair's length. So if you do have longer hair, you're probably going to want to just maybe double or triple this. I would probably triple it because not only do I have long hair, but I've got very thick hair. And then what you do is you would then apply this on your hair. So I would suggest then just applying it in sections so that you can make sure that you're getting it through. Remember, the honey is quite sticky, so it's probably better to apply it with your hands with a demon brush, because if you just put it on, it might just stay in place. So you want to work that through thoroughly, and then you're going to leave it on for like 30 to 40 minutes, and then rinse it off, and that's about it. That's your mask. Shampoo afterwards and apply the conditioner, some conditioner, and then just rinse that off and then do your after styling. Okay, so let's get started on this. So we're gonna combine everything. So that is a teaspoon of honey, So I actually did a co-wash yesterday, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to put on the hair mask and give you the results. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I made that mask 5 days ago. That was on Sunday and today is Friday, and I just had decided, you know what, I'm going to freeze this mask because, as I mentioned in the video, I did a co-wash the day before and I just didn't feel that my hair was in need of a mask right then and there, and it just felt like really irrelevant putting this mask on my hair, and it wasn't really something I needed at the time. So it's been almost a week and I've had my hair up in this nest for the entire time. My hair is in total need of some moisturizing and strengthening and restoration, and I just thought today would be the perfect time to actually place the mask on my hair. So I'm going to loosen this really hectic bun right now. I'm sure I had a slide in here somewhere. Oh, here it is. I found it. I don't know if you guys are like me, like lose shit in your hair. Okay, so let's loosen this bush. And I bet my hair's gonna be really sticky. I have done absolutely nothing but have my hair in a bun this entire week. Okay, so the last time I did a co-wash, I had some leave-in conditioner and some gel in here. I mean, it's not too bad, but it's gonna be a really good idea to obviously place this mask or apply this mask in sections on your hair. Just to make sure that you're getting through every strand thoroughly. So I've got the hair mask here. I've got my water bottle. I've got my denim brush just in case. We'll see how the application goes. So you are going to need some hair clips, a comb to split your hair, because like I said, you do want to apply this in sections. Put on an old t-shirt because this can be a bit of a messy job. Okay, so let's get started. Right, so I'm going to split my hair into 2 sections. My hair's looking really unfriendly today. Alright. It's easy to do with my fingers. Okay, so what I normally do is I would split my hair into 2. Split the one half of my hair into 3 sections. I do this because my hair is pretty thick, especially at the back here where my crown is. It's like my problem area. So let's just pin that up. All right. Okay, so what I like to do is just sort of pull these apart so they're not too tangled. So I've got the egg mixture right here, as you can see. Just place it on there with my fingers. Like I said, you want to put on an old t-shirt just to make sure that you're not missing your nice clothes. I'm going to take my denim brush and just comb that from the bottom up. So just note that I haven't combed my hair the entire week. I've had it in a pineapple, so my hair is pretty knotty, and normally I would do this with my fingers, but because of that I think it's best to do it with a denim brush. Okay, that went through quite nicely actually. Okay. mixture, I do find that it's getting hard really quickly. So you actually really want to work quite quickly with this product or this mixture and not waste any time. I actually do feel that it is not a good idea to detangle with a diamond brush. So as you can see, I am placing this on dry hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this half dry and then I'm going to wet this half and see how it goes. That was quite an experience. It is messy work. I definitely did feel that wetting the hair first made it easier to comb the mask through. However, I did feel that on the dry side, I was just able to get a lot more on, and it just feels like this side absorbed the product a lot more. You could really feel it when the hair is wet. You can't really tell, and this side is a lot more stickier. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover my hair and leave it just on for like 30 minutes. Okay. And then I will jump into a shower, give it a good shampoo, and then of course condition afterwards. I'll put this in a shower cap and then just put a bonnet over. So we want to obviously just keep this covered and as warm as possible, and I'll leave it on like this for like 30 minutes. Hey guys, so this is the final results. I have to say that I'm pretty happy. It was quite simple getting the mask out of my hair, and I did shampoo and condition afterwards. However, I did do quite a bit of styling, so I've used the Nilotica leave-in conditioner from my previous video. So if you haven't seen that yet, please do go back and check that out. I then finger coiled my hair and diffused, and then used a bit of argan oil as well. So what I would like to mention is that you're not going to see results immediately when it comes to hair masks. You will only start seeing results if you are consistent and you're using it over a period of time. So if you've seen my hair mask video that I did a couple of weeks ago, the ins and outs of hair masks, I mentioned there that using a moisturizing hair mask at least once a week, and then a protein hair mask like I did in this video at least once a month, and doing that consistently, you will then notice a lot less breakage, a lot less frizz. Your hair will just be stronger, and you'll notice such a difference in the overall health of your hair. So very important to do a hair mask and be consistent, especially if you are transitioning like I am, or just have really damaged, dry and frizzy hair. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you got some value out of this video. If you did, please do give it a like, and please do subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see some more of my other hair and skincare videos. I do put out video at least once a week, so do stay tuned. But yeah, thanks so much and have a fantastic weekend. Bye bye.